Cambodia is one of the countries in Southeast Asia and is situated between Thailand, Laos and Vietnam. Decades of internal conflict has had a disastrous consequence on Cambodia, and the subsequent regimes failed to promote an open and dynamic financial sector. Its gross domestic product sits at about 6.2 billion US dollars, while the per capita income is around $430 per annum. Poverty is both pervasive and overwhelmingly rural. 40% of the population lives below the poverty line, and 91% of the Cambodian poor live in rural areas. Across Cambodia, agriculture employs over 70% of the workforce, with rice being the primary crop. Despite this primacy of agriculture in Cambodian life, it accounts for only 31% of gross domestic product. Added to these challenges is a rapidly growing population. It currently sits at over 14.5 million and is growing at the rate of 1.78% per annum. While the present government's efforts to alleviate poverty and bolster infrastructure is consistent, the immensity of the problem has led to a strong campaign of support from NGO and aid organisations. In 1992, when Cambodia emerged from isolation, large-scale relief operations followed, and many NGOs and international organisations started microfinance activities in the early 1990s. Lack of capital is among the most binding constraints for rural business. It is commonly noted that the poor are trapped in extreme poverty by exploitive informal credit. By providing a secure and cheap source of funding to the rural poor, it's possible to empower them to move out of the poverty trap. Formerly known as EMT, Amret is one of Cambodia's leading microfinance institutions, with over 15 years of experience. It was initially founded as an experimental credit project in 1991 by the French NGO Groupe de Recherche et d'Échanges Technologiques, also known as GRET, with the vision to contribute to rural development in order to improve the living standards of the population. In 2004, EMT changed its name to Amret. Amret adopts an inclusive approach that targets the entire rural population, where there is an express need for financial services. It doesn't target particular groups within society by ethnicity, standard of living, gender or religion. Amret continues to grow, servicing more districts and opening more operations and offices every year. It understands that small amounts of money can make a big and lasting difference. Amret offers its fast, transparent, friendly and efficient services with a convenient process and strong distribution networks. It services customers door to door and from its regional offices. Amret continues to lead the market by ensuring its credit and savings packages are properly designed to meet client needs. In total, it offers 5 comprehensive credit packages. A solidarity loan is a micro joint liability credit available in local currency. It's designed for groups in rural areas who need a loan for general business activities that will improve their household's economy. A business loan is for individuals setting up a new business or expanding an existing enterprise. It is an ideal way for small and medium-scale entrepreneurs to gain access to the capital they need. A home improvement loan provides individuals with the necessary funds to carry out renovations or extensions to their existing house. For example, a fence, roof, kitchen, bathroom or living room. A household consumption loan is for individuals looking to purchase household or personal items, such as a vehicle, a refrigerator or a generator, a television. The final package is an educational loan, which is designed for individuals to assist in the payment of education fees for high school, technical school, university and postgraduate study. Amret also provides a comprehensive range of deposit products that help people get the most out of their investments in the future. These products offer attractive interest returns and require only a very low initial deposit. Along with accessible and rewarding products for individuals, Amret also offers the corporate savings account. This not only allows companies and institutions to save for future expenses and investments, but also to deposit their staff's income into their personal savings accounts. Amret has a group of major shareholders and is overseen by a board of directors. It currently employs hundreds of staff members, with the management and operation team leading a skilled and committed team of support staff. The management team consists of 7 people, most of whom have been promoted internally and sponsored to reach institutional requirements. District managers complete BBA courses, while provincial managers and management staff meet the requirements of MBA courses. With staff rapidly increasing, Amret's HR department maintains a commitment to corporate values, culture and ethics, as well as career management. Accountability and responsibility are paramount. Amret's operations are studied by an audit committee which ensures management has put in place adequate systems, tools and procedures. In addition, a risk management committee is charged with identifying the general risks across Amret's different operational areas. This commitment to clear policy and transparency is reflected in every area of the operation, with both an internal and external audit and rating system. This means that errors that are not detected by the internal control and audit process can be identified externally. Marketing and research is another priority for Amret. In order to identify its market position and determine significant strategies for the future, a regular research survey is conducted every year. Amret boosts its brand image by communicating through a diverse range of media, including a website, an annual report, an impact study, brochures, leaflets, billboards and more. Amret has worked for 15 years to provide financial services that are suitable for the needs of most of the rural population, while ensuring Amret's long-term sustainability.
Amret has developed and started the activities in 1991, and we are operating in the 13 provinces of southern of Cambodia, and we do the rural credit with the small loan with the group of people in the rural area. Regarding to portfolio quality, we have very low portfolio at risk. It's less than 1%. It's around 0.07% at the moment. This achievement is thanks to our staff that are committed to do a good job and good cooperation with the authority and stakeholder that provide a strong support to us. Even we transform into a licensed MFI and with the legal entity as a private limited company, we maintain the vision and mission of Amret since beginning, that we target the low income people in rural area that have limited access to financial service with the bank. But we are differentiated from other institutions by our financial services, which if we focus on the group loan rather than the other.
Amret continues its work in Cambodia with a simple slogan, a promise that it shares with all Cambodians. With you, for you.